Hi friends, welcome to Aroma at Usha. Today I'm going to prepare tofu ghee roast. Tofu is nothing but soy paneer. Let's see how to prepare this recipe. Now this is the store-bought tofu. This weighs about 200 grams. Now I'm going to dip it in warm water and I'm going to wash it. Now I'm going to cut this tofu into cubes. I'm going to cut it into large cubes, but you can reduce the size of the cubes. Next, I'm going to I'm going to pre-cook the tofu pieces in boiling water for 4 minutes. Add a pinch of salt along with the tofu pieces while cooking. I forgot to add salt, but when you cook, just add a pinch of salt along with these tofu pieces. Now it's been cooking for 4 minutes. I'm going to switch off the flame. After switching off the flame, drain the water and keep it aside for cooling. I am taking it in a strainer to drain the excess water if present. Now I am going to prepare the masala. For this I have kept a fry pan on the stove top and I am adding 4 numbers of red chilies. I am removing the stalk and I am adding it. I haven't switched on the gas stove. After adding all the ingredients, I will switch on the gas stove. Now add half tablespoon of peppercorns. Now add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add little less than half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add quarter tablespoon of fennel seeds. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Add 3 numbers of cloves. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. After adding all these ingredients, switch on the flame and dry roast all these ingredients in low flame until nice aroma emanates from these ingredients. Now it's done. Switch off the flame and transfer the contents into another vessel and allow it to cool down completely. Now add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee, otherwise clarified butter, to the fry pan and shallow fry the tofu pieces. When the ghee becomes medium hot, add the tofu pieces. Shallow fry it. Now it's done. Remove the tofu pieces from the fry pan. Now add the roasted ingredients in a mixer jar. Add 4 cloves of garlic. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a small piece of tamarind. Add water and grind it into fine paste. Now add 3 tablespoons of ghee, otherwise clarified butter, in the fry pan. As I have kept the ghee outside because of climatic conditions, it has melted. When ghee heats up, add few curry leaves. Add 2 finely chopped onion. Add required amount of salt for the onion to saute. Saute it until it becomes golden brown color. Now the onion has become golden brown color. Add the masala paste, that is the ground masala paste, to the sauteed onion. Pour water. I have washed the mixer jar with water and I am pouring that. I am adding little more water and now I am going to mix it. Add salt for the masala and mix it. Add little more amount of ghee. I am adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery to balance the taste. This is only optional. If you like, you add or else skip it. At one point you can see ghee releasing. At this time add 2 tablespoons of curd, otherwise yogurt. Mix it well and add the shallow fried tofu pieces. Now I'm going to add the shallow fried tofu pieces. Mix it well and cook until it becomes thick. Now it has thickened and you can see the oil being released. Now switch off the flame. Yummy and delicious tofu gyros is ready. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. Thanks for watching this video. I have given the ingredients in the ingredients list for your reference. So kindly check the ingredients list for the ingredients.